manifesting the green one and this one. Let's do some unboxings. First up, we have Twinkle Twinkle. This is the Create Your Taste collection. Blueberry jam, tomato sauce, strawberry milk cookie. The secrets are really cute. Adorable, love him. I'm gonna open the Wild But Cutie Crybaby. And these are the options. I want this one, or this one. Honestly, they're all kind of cute, but I don't actually like the secret, so I hope we don't get the secret. She's so cute. The Vanilla Cutie. And this is her little card. It says Vanilla Cutie on it. Next up, we have the Crying Again Crybaby. I really want one of these two. The Bumblebee, I'm not a fan of this one or the secrets. So okay. Let's manifest. Oh, she's cute. She's cutie girl. So this is her. She's the I'll Give You All My Love. So these are all the ones I got. And I'm very happy with all of them.